good, man. Evening ride, man. Gonna take a little stroll through the neighborhood, man. Yeah, this man right here raised peacocks. So I know about that 492, man. It's legendary 492 right here. 492. Y'all know, all I mess with is pedigree. BDR Ranch, man. That's all we mess with is pedigree. If it ain't pedigree, it will not go to BDR Ranch. I can promise you that. Let me see what a big bag of dope. Give me one of them. Case of canned food, 12 pack. Right here. That's what we need right here. That's what we need. Yeah, that's what we need. I'm gonna pause y'all so I can get out. Pick y'all up and let y'all see, man. We finally got that back cleaned out, bro. Like I said the other day. What's going on here? There we go. Like I said, I finally got that court clean back up, man. What I was talking about, I was wanting to clean. That grass was high, bro. It was high. Walk out back here. Got him tied out the other day. He'll do his job, eat the rest of it down. That's why I left all that right there. Left like a big box right there. He'll love that. That right, son? Splitting the grass for you? Oh yeah. But as y'all can see, I done got the court clear for little Gigi when he come. Yep, got the court clear for Gigi. Man, I used to be good at this here. I used to be good at that. But anyway, got all this here cleaned out. Back here, it was high as I don't know what back here yesterday. Well, the last video I showed y'all. And guess what? You know it, all that nicks. All this nicks, bro. All this nicks. Yeah, everything clean. Ground clean back here. You can see everything. I don't like no snakes, bro. I don't like no snakes. Hey. What? What? What, Charlie? Whole little corner back here, man. Had to come back here and get that right. I'm old lawnmower, believe one thing, believe it or not. Both of these lawnmowers work. Both of them pull and crank up right now. Yep. But yeah, man, it's the back corner. It's the back corner right here. Right across the street. It's like 3 acres right here, right across the street. That I'm gonna constantly keep clean. And then, like I said, it's wooded right behind the 3 acres. All that back there. All that, man. Go way back. Go back probably about 6 acres back there. Including this over here is all 8. But anyway. Can't wait to start burning these piles, man. Get rid of that pile there. Get rid of that pile right there.